Stuck at the airport with a suitcase that weighs a ton and a phone about to die? Looking like you wrestled a bear for your carry-on and lost? Been there, done that, and not just once. But fear not, travel warriors. Today, Story of Dreams is here to reveal the travel hacks that'll have you breezing through airports like James Bond, minus the exploding pens, unless you really need one. But hey, no judgment. We're talking about the secret weapons that'll transform your packing from "where did I put that sock" chaos to a Marie Kondo-worthy masterpiece. Forget the cable chaos and leaky travel bottles that turn your toiletries bag into a disaster zone. These travel gadgets are about to become your new best friends. So ditch the travel woes and buckle up for some game-changing hacks that'll have you feeling like a seasoned jet-setter, even if your passport photo still screams tourist on the loose. These travel gadgets are the secret weapons you need to transform your trips from stressful messes to smooth sailing adventures. Don't forget to check the links below for these awesome products and amazing deals. And while you're there, subscribe to our channel, Story of Dreams, for more travel inspiration, hidden gems, and hilarious travel fails. Number 1. BAGSMART Toiletry Bag. Let's face it, packing toiletries can be a nightmare. You either end up with a suitcase that smells like a spa or a leaky explosion in your bag. Enter the BAGSMART Toiletry Bag. This bad boy is like a fortress for your bathroom essentials. It's water resistant, has compartments to keep everything organized, no more lipstick wars with your shampoo, and even has a handy hanging hook so you can avoid any questionable bathroom counter gymnastics. Plus it comes in multiple colors and sizes so you can match your travel style, which is hopefully not desperate for a shower. See the difference? Organized, stress-free, and ready to conquer the world, or at least the nearest duty-free shop. Number 2. Inspira Digital Travel Scale. Alright, confession time. Who here has shown up at the airport only to discover their suitcase weighs more than a baby elephant? Don't worry, we've all been there, but fret no more, because the Inspira Digital Travel Scale is about to become your new BFF. This sleek little gadget tells you exactly how much your luggage weighs before you get to the dreaded baggage check-in line. No more frantic repacking in the middle of the airport floor while fellow travelers judge your questionable fashion choices, because let's be honest, that extra pair of shoes was probably a bad idea. See? This little beauty saves you money, saves you time, and most importantly, saves you from the humiliation of a public suitcase weight meltdown. Now you can strut through security with the confidence of a seasoned traveler who definitely packed light, even if you didn't. Number 3. Mrs. Dry Travel Bottles. Listen, we've all been there. You finally get to your dream destination only to realize you forgot the most important thing: tiny travel bottles for your precious liquids. Because let's face it, who wants to explain to airport security why you're carrying a vat-sized bottle of your favorite shampoo? Enter Mrs. Dry Travel Bottles. These TSA-approved, leak-proof wonders are refillable and come in a convenient 4-pack. Plus, they're available in a variety of colors, so you can match them to your luggage or your mood, because let's face it, sometimes your suitcase needs a little retail therapy too. With Mrs. Dry Travel Bottles, you can pack your favorite potions and lotions without the drama. Now you can show off your perfectly moisturized skin at your exotic destination, all thanks to these little lifesavers. Number 4. BAGAIL Compression Packing Cubes. Do you suffer from chronic overpacking syndrome? Do you dream of having a carry-on that actually fits in the overhead compartment? Well, my friend, BAGAIL Compression Packing Cubes are here to answer your prayers. These genius cubes are like tiny packing wizards. They help you organize your luggage like a pro, maximize space, and keep your clothes wrinkle-free. No more arriving at your destination looking like you slept in a washing machine, unless that's the look you're going for, in which case you do you. See the magic? BAGAIL Compression Packing Cubes. Because overpacking doesn't have to be your travel reality. Now you can pack like a minimalist and still have everything you need for your adventure, including that emergency pack of gummy bears, because let's be real, adulting is hard. Number 5. EPICKA Universal Travel Adapter. Picture this. You've finally reached your dream destination, ready to conquer the world with your camera and your phone. But then reality strikes. Your charger is nowhere to be found and the local outlets look like they belong on a spaceship. Don't panic. The EPICKA Universal Travel Adapter is your new travel BFF. This little gadget is like a Swiss Army knife for your electronics. It has multiple plugs to fit outlets in over 150 countries, so you'll never be left in the dark, or, more importantly, without battery power. And with its multiple USB ports, you can charge all your devices at once. No more fighting over the one available outlet. So there you have it, folks. Now get out there and explore the world, travel warriors. But for the love of all things carry-on friendly, pack light.